We are back at a different farm. Still part of the family farm, but we're at a whole different location. More on their Eldred side. Here we go. Slowly. Slowly. I really love the farm life. So let's go check it out. The second family's farm.
Ah, okay. Okay, okay.
What's happening?
So they mix all the food here for the hay and then the milk on that side.
Oh, so hay and then milking section. Ah.
Okay.
Yep, this is a lot of cow poop. Yep.
Evening and day, and then 200 liters per day of milk.
Of milk? Wow. That's a lot of milk. Don't be scared. Look at that milk. Ooh, I want the milk one.
Well, you wait long enough, in the evening they'll milk them.
Oh, no, that's too long. I'm gonna have to take this. I have to go through this.
Hi. Had some contact.
Wow, this is beautiful. What is this?
Sweet potatoes.
Oh, this is sweet potatoes? Wow. This is beautiful.
Drip irrigation.
Oh. So this supplies the samosas? Oh.
Spring onions.
This is beautiful. Wow, this is actually really beautiful.
What is that?
Pili pili ho ho. Bell peppers.
Oh, these are green. Tomato. Is it tamales?
Tree tomatoes.
Tomatillas.
Ah.
Tomatillas, yeah.
And what are these?
I'm talking about this.
It's pili pili.
Oh, pili pili. These are pili pili peppers.
And then this.
Mhm.
Bringanya.
Eggplant.
Oh, these are eggplants? Oh yeah. Look at that one right there. Oh, it's so juicy.
Yeah, so is the sun too hot? She's like, no, I got sunscreen.
I got sunscreen.
Oh, you make correct or something.
So pretty.
Squash.
Squash. Oh. She's banana. Squash banana.
There was some on the ground.
No, I didn't see. I gotta go see the squash banana.
It's called manago.
Manago. What is
So the
manago?
drip irrigation, the water's on now. Manago, it's a type of grain.
Oh, it's a type of grain?
It's very healthy.
Oh, you can see the water is actually dripping from it.
Yes, baby.
Look at the scenery. It's windy, but look at the scenery. Just wait a second. Just look at this. Just let me go around slowly. Just look at this.
Oh, okay.
Dancing time with Daddy.
80, 90, 20.
20. Yay! And these are like baby cabbages. See, they're big. Haven't been formed yet, but a big one will grow right in there. And then come out and blossom to that beautiful one. Just look how cabbage grows. Look, cabbage is just so beautiful. No, seriously, just look. Wow. You're plowing?
Yeah.
And you're plowing with your daughter?
Yeah, multitasking.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. And look at the scenery. Just look at the scenery. You see the mountains? Just wow. Wow.
Where the cows are.
Show you a nest. The bird nest. There's multiple nests. They're created. Here they go. And it's 13 months. What gigantic calf is this? But you beautiful. Yeah. Change? Yamune.
Hi, Mama. Genevieve. Like this house?
It's so nice.
Yeah. You like it? You want to live there?
I don't want to live there, but I want to spend a night. But I want to build one.
Yeah, look.
I want to help
It's made
build
from
one.
cow dung.
Like, I definitely have to help build one of these things. Jenny, don't touch that floor, okay?
That's the roof.
You can go in, but don't put your hands on it, okay?
Freshly made huts. Let's do a quick 360.
Hey, you like the rocks? You like it, the rocks? Don't throw it that way. Throw it that way. Be careful.
It's a new house.
That's my new house
Yep.
that you got built for me?
Yep. Freshly built.
I mean, I appreciate it.